islands in the Lomaiviti group, Koro, Ovalau, Batiki. That is where these items are going. And I want to especially thank UNDP for this wonderful contribution in this time of need, because it is very practical at this time to start to rehabilitate the villages. As you can see, we've got wheelbarrows, we've got gumboots, we've got brush cutters, chainsaws, things that will make them start to stand up and start to clean before they go out and go to the second phase of rehabilitation, which is rebuilding the homes and also looking at rebuilding agriculture and probably livestock and back to the fishing. So I want to thank UNDP, especially this morning, for this wonderful contribution. And as I've said, it's all going to the Maritime Islands, Lomeviti and